Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, you're back with Duke versus Duke, and today we are looking at a little bit of something that we ordered from our friends at Amazon, and quite excited, like two kids in a candy shop. And props to Amazon actually for getting the delivery back to us sooner than planned. So it actually arrived 3 days early. So what is it? Well, it's a box. Okay, so what's in the box? Let's take a look. Bluetooth com set. Okay, so what's in the box is the FodSports Bluetooth intercom set. There are actually two of these puppies in here. Oh, nice. Thank you. So that's a nice little unit. Feels good. We're going to do an installation on this later. For now, let's just see what's in the box, because this is an unboxing. Alright, so we've got speaker sets. 1, 2. We've got mounting clips. Oops. And mounting brackets. And charging cables. There we go. Done. Sorted.
Good.
Must say, feels good.
It's pretty decent quality.
Feels quality. And this is the up to 6 riders unit. 2 simultaneously, and then swap out for the remaining 4. And so we'll give the manual a go over, check out all the bits and pieces, and then get you back to join us when we do the helmet mounting. So look out for that one. Thanks for joining us. See you guys soon.